Today we're going to talk about a vertical shift up and a vertical shift down on the Cartesian plane if we have y equals f of x graph. So I'm just going to draw the Cartesian plane here, okay, just for an example. And then that's the x-axis, then we're going to have the y-axis. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to draw an example graph on here, okay? So just bear with me as I draw just a sample graph. Okay, so for a shift up, so if c is a positive number, the graph of y equals f of x, so this is y equals f of x. F of x. So if c is a positive number, this is y equals f of x. We're going to make y equals f of x plus c. So if c is a positive number, the graph of y equals f of x plus c can be obtained by vertically shifting the graph of y equals f of x up c units, so however many units that is. So it's going to be, we're going to try to do as close to the same as possible, but it's going to shift up. Let's say 1, 2, 3, then we're going to just shift it up that much, okay? So it just shifted up. So if that was better drawn, you'd see it's exactly the same going up. Now if c is a positive number, the graph y f of x, c can be obtained by vertically shifting the graph of y down c units if you want to do a shift downward. So it's the same idea for a downward shift. So we're going to go down 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and it's going to be the same graph again, shifted down. So what's this trying to depict is that the vertical shift can happen up or down if c is positive, or if y equals f of x minus c units. That's for the downward shift. So upward shift, downward shift. Okay, hope that makes sense.